Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Drew here from Lone Fox, and today is gonna be a good video. Happy holidays, first of all. I cannot believe that we are approaching Christmas so quickly, and that is exactly why I am bringing you today's video. This is like a last minute Amazon favorites Christmas gift primable edition video, and some of you might be like, what did you just like mention? So let me break down kind of what this video is going to be, and we're going to dive right into it because I want you guys to see all of these amazing gift ideas. So basically today I wanted to do a video because I've done Amazon favorites videos in the past on my channel, and you guys really like them. I get requests for them all the time. So today's kind of like an Amazon favorites mixed with a Christmas gift guide, because all of these Amazon items are great for Christmas presents for really anybody in your life, like friends, family, teachers, whatever it might be. And the third most important thing is that these are all primable gifts. So they're all going to be able to get to you before Christmas. If you're in the US, of course, these are all great ideas that you can literally place your order like today and get it in like a day or two, so you have it wrapped under the tree for your friends or your family, whatever it might be. That rhymed. Oh my God. I'm so good. Like, this video is not sponsored by Amazon in any way. These are all definitely my favorite choices and picks, of course, and I'm just really excited. So let's just jump in with the first item. Okay, so this is my third time filming this because I literally keep talking about each item for like 5 minutes, and my last one ended up being 42 minutes of footage for my 20 items. So I'm just gonna keep it sweet and to the point. So the first item that I'm featuring is probably one of my favorites in the whole video, and that is the Homesick candle. And this comes in different states and different cities. So you can get this for someone who maybe is from a different state, from a different city, they're maybe going to college somewhere else. This is such a cute idea because it's kind of personalized without having to spend the money on personalization, you know? Because I think this candle is like $25 or so, and they come in different smells. So the Illinois one is a floral bouquet of honeysuckle, lavender, white flower, and violets with hints of grain fields, light breezes, and a touch of vanilla and lemon. Now, I don't know if this is exactly what Illinois smells like, but my roommate is from there, so I'm actually gonna be gifting her this. And the candle inside is so cute. It's actually pretty substantial for the price. I love this. It has a little Illinois cutout on the front of it. It is made of coconut wax, and it smells really great. So this is like a personalized item that is definitely fail-proof. Since we are talking about candles, this is such a great stocking stuffer idea. This is what it looks like. You're probably like, what is that? I featured this on my channel one time before, and it is a electronic candle lighter, which means basically that you can recharge it. So on the end, you can actually recharge the lighter and use it over and over again. But it's kind of fun to use because it's kind of like a taser. So it definitely acts as like a taser in case like an intruder comes, like you can grab your candle lighter for sure. So you flip it up like here and the little prongs come out. Can you see that? It's tasing. But yeah, you can basically tase your friends and family with this, or you can like light your candles how you're kind of supposed to use it, but you can recharge this. It's super eco-friendly, and this is super inexpensive. So you can like add this to someone's stocking, or you can give it to them maybe with that candle, for instance. Next up is a phone charger, or a laptop charger, or an iPad charger, because this is a multi-purpose charger. I love these. I have 3 of them. They're the Anker brand chargers. I'm gonna link them below. But basically you can plug in your phone, you can plug in your laptop, you can plug in anything into the side of this, and it charges it rapid speed. Like, I swear to you, I was gonna snap there. Oh, do I know how to snap now? I never knew how to. I still don't, honestly. So you can charge anything on this. It charges it extremely quickly, but it also, this holds so much power inside of it. You can charge your phone like up to 8 times on this. We all love a good Polaroid camera. Mine is actually like a bright purple color because it was gifted to me from a brand a long time ago, but this is such a cute idea for anyone who's very nostalgic or is into interior design or just into like photography in general, because these are a great price point, especially if you want to get someone like a substantial gift, and it's something that someone can immediately start using, which I really like. So it's super simple. You click it out like this. You can then take photos and your Polaroid pops out of the top. And it's also a great way to showcase different memories in your life. So this is a great idea. You can maybe throw in some film as well. I'll link below that as well for you guys. So this next gift is one that I kind of have to assemble and share with you guys. So I'm gonna show it more in the overlay clips, but it is a moon orb light. So I have seen these all over Instagram lately. They are super trendy. And as you can see, it's kind of lit up. You can click the bottom and change the light preference. Now, I personally like the more orangey yellow one. I like this one. I think this one looks the most like a salt lamp slash mixed with a moon. And I think it's really cute. It actually sits on a wood base. You can recharge it. It lights up your space, and it also just resembles a moon, which I think is really nice at the nighttime. Mr. Kate probably needs this for her little baby. Cute little moon. Honestly, she probably is already on top of this and she has one of these, but this is such a cute idea. They're super inexpensive and you can get them at different sizes. I actually have the smallest one here, but they come larger as well, and it's on that same Amazon listing, so you can check them out. For anyone that needs a little spice in their life, this is Truff Hot Sauce. Now this I've seen everywhere, like Oprah featured it in her favorites. I think it's been on other talk shows, and just like a lot of people find this to be a very chic, very trendy hot sauce, but also a very, very yummy hot sauce. So I'm a humongous fan of hot sauce. The reviews are amazing, so I'm sure it's gonna taste great, which is why I'm kind of recommending it here on my channel, but it's also just such a great gift idea for anyone who maybe likes spicy food. It's very random, but like if someone got this, I would be like, that is such a cool bottle of hot sauce for sure. It's infused with white truffle, which is why I think it's a little bit more on the pricier side. If you really don't know what to get someone, like get them a bottle of hot sauce. It's so random, and how can someone not like that? I was browsing the 2020 calendar section, and the one that was literally referred to me was this one. It has foxes on it. It is a 2020 planner, and it's such a great size planner as well. And look, there are little foxes at the top of it. So cute. I am very excited to use this. Immediately when I saw it, I was like, absolutely, this is literally me in a planner. A 2020 like planner like this is great for anyone who likes to stay organized, and a lot of people don't have them. Like, and it's kind of something you don't even want to buy in the new year. You're like, wow, I wish I just already had a planner. Like, I don't even want to go spend that. So if you get someone this, like, how could you go wrong with it, you know? And it has foxes on it. So like, it's double the best. This is the most expensive item in this video, but you're gonna see why. This is the Cinemood Portable Movie Theater. This is so cool. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be gifting this to my brother. Actually, I don't think he even watches my channel, which is very rude of him, but you can project movies onto the wall or project them onto the ceiling. And this is such a great price because projectors can be thousands and thousands of dollars. This is like around $200, but you can project and like watch movies or watch Netflix or watch TV or on the ceiling, which I think is such a cool idea. Literally, they even show this girl watching it on the airplane, like projecting it onto the seat in front of her. Like, that is so cool. At the beach, they have it at like your house on the wall. I just love the idea of this, and I'm very, very excited to give this to him. I don't want to take it out of the box because of course it's going to be a gift, but if you think someone in your life would like this and you have a little bit more to spend, like, such a cool gift idea. So we're jumping from a really cool gift idea to kind of a random one. This is a Himalayan salt like nightlight, but I think it is so cool. Like, you would definitely see this on Urban Outfitters for like $30 for sure. And you can just turn it on and off, plug it into the wall. Himalayan salt has a lot of different like healing properties and benefits if you believe in that kind of stuff or like believe in crystals. This is like a miniature version, which is great for anyone who needs like a little nightlight. So I thought this was very, very cute. So I do have some books that I want to share with you, and I'm probably just going to share them all at once. There's 3 different ones. 2 of them are actually cookbooks that I definitely recommend. The first one is Magnolia Table. I love everything Chip and Joanna does. I just really, really like it. I've always been a humongous fan of their work, and this is their cookbook. I've had this for a while now, and I've actually done some of the recipes in here before, but there's so many more that I want to try out. So this is just such a great book if you know someone that likes to cook, maybe even someone that doesn't like to cook. A lot of the recipes in here are on the more simple side for sure, like good peach caprese salad or some romaine salad, deviled eggs, guacamole. It's just so many different ideas of food in here. The imagery is so super pretty. You can just literally leave this in your kitchen and not even open it if you don't want to, and it just looks like you cook. Maybe you can even go through the book like prior to giving it to whoever you're gonna give it to, and just like put post-it notes on the pages that you like. That way they know to make you those things like when you're coming over. And then my roommate, she actually has this one, which is a Chrissy Teigen Cravings book, but she super recommended this. I have not really gone through this that much, but she absolutely loves this book, which is why I'm featuring it in here. So thank you, Marie. It's basically just filled with easy comfort food. So there's like steak bites. I just on the other side saw like cheesy guacamole, John's fried wings with spicy honey butter. Like, are you absolutely kidding me? Just filled with a ton of really great comfort food ideas. And comfort food's like my favorite kind of food. I feel like it's everyone's favorite kind of food. So this is a must. And the last book here is such a stunning coffee table book. And this is another type of item that I hate buying myself. Like, I don't want to go spend $60 on a book that's going to go on my coffee table. So these are great, great gift ideas. When again, you don't know what to get someone, just get them a coffee table book and something that they like. Like maybe they have a hobby of DIY, or they have a hobby of interior design, or they have a hobby of fashion, for example, or they're in that industry. This is the Architectural Digest coffee table book. It says A Century of Style, and it's such a pretty soft cream color with like a white Architectural Digest logo on the front of it. The side looks like this. It is just all around a very beautiful book. It's honestly super, super heavy. And inside of here are tons and tons of different like inspiration for your home. It's just like one of those books that's kind of like, I want to like spend hours going through. So I don't want to flip through everything because I feel like you guys should definitely look through it on your own. But it gives so many, like this is literally John Legend and Chrissy Teigen's kitchen in Manhattan. I flipped to that page and we were just talking about her. Definitely great for probably any of you guys who are on this channel that like home and interior design and DIY, this is definitely like an inspiration source for sure. All right, so I have a couple of items left and they're very, very random. Like I'm just gonna jump into the first one. This is a game. It's called That's What She Said. And this kind of reminds me of Apples to Apples or like Cards Against Humanity. It's just one of those games that's like a little bit raunchy, which I love games like that. Those are my favorite where they're just like so funny. That's my type of humor. Like I think that like for example, on the backside, it said, on our wedding night, my wife said to me, so then like the person that's kind of dealing will play that card and then you'll have a selection of cards as well. And you can put down your white card, which for example, it's a weird shape, but I like it. Like it's just like funny, random stuff like that. And I think this is a great gift idea for anyone probably over the age of 18. Definitely great if you're having friends over or another stocking stuffer. These are great if you need to keep track of things, if you have that person in your life that literally can never find anything. This is called a tile. Now basically you buy these, I think they're like $20 each and you can put them on your items. I actually have one myself. It's literally been on my keys for years. And basically this is like a tracking device. So you input this into the app on your phone, the Tile app. And if you lose your keys, you can literally go into your phone, click like ring, and it will start ringing like that. And it will basically allow you to find your keys if you've lost them, or it actually shows you where they're located. So if you left them at a bar, if you left them at a club, like you could find them. And I think this is just a great idea because you can put these in your wallet, you could put them in your purse, you could put them on your phone. Like there's lots of different methods to finding your items if they get lost. And this is just a very affordable $20 option. This item is a little bit more geared towards children, but honestly, if you're into this and you're an adult, like feel no way about it because this is so freaking cute. Look at this. It is a mug, a basketball mug, and it has a basketball hoop on the back here. And basically how I saw it on Amazon when they showed it is like they had hot chocolate in here and you can literally throw your little marshmallows through the hoop. This is something that my mom would have gotten me for sure. Like she loves like random quirky little gifts like this. I thought this was just a nice idea. I think they maybe have other styles of this too, but I thought the basketball one was really cute. So just something I wanted to throw in the video. I have 3 more items to share with you. This one was kind of hiding on my right side because I filmed this so many times. This was literally behind me. I forgot about it, but this is a beanie that has built-in Bluetooth speakers. So basically, you put this on your head. There are 2 like hard spots, like not hard to where it's gonna hurt you, but like you can feel the speakers in there. And then right here on the leather tag are clickers. Like listen. You can adjust the volume up or down, or you can pause or play your music. And it's actually fleece lined as well. And the outside is knitted. Such great quality. This would definitely keep you super, super warm and also allow you to listen to music at the same time. And it just Bluetooth wirelessly connects to your phone. Second to last item are these reusable coffee cups. And I love these because first of all, the design is super cute. The colorways that they have are also very, very on trend. I loved this emerald green one. I got it in the smallest size just to share with you guys, but it comes in like, I think 4 different sizes, kind of similar to like Starbucks sizes. So this would be like a tall, I guess, if you will. This is made of organic bamboo fiber. So it's eco-friendly. You can literally recycle the entire cup. And then also you can reuse it over and over and over again. So it's very, very eco-friendly. I loved this idea and it's super affordable as well. So definitely check these out and you can kind of shop for them based off of size and color as well. And the last item I have here, it's kind of random, but it's like a little life-saving keychain. Like it's just like your life in a keychain. So basically with this keychain, you put it on your keys and then when you need it, you can open bottles with it, which is like necessary, like sometimes, you know, but also it has a phone charger in it, which I loved how it had a phone charger in there. So you can literally USB it here, phone charge yourself here. And then when you're done with it, you just reattach it back in there and put it back on your keys and you have your phone charger on the go at all times. Like I thought this was such a great idea. Super, super affordable as well. That's why I wanted to add it in here because again, a very simple stocking stuffer to stock up on this year. So guys, those were all of my gift ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it was like interesting to watch. I'm gonna have to really edit this one good because I talked about stuff for so long. I literally blabbered for the entire video. So I hope that this gave you like some insight on some last minute gift ideas. And again, I hope everything is currently in stock. Definitely check the links in the description box below for everything I did feature in this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell icon for brand new videos every single week. Actually gonna be posting probably one more video before Christmas time. So I'll see you guys in that one. And my next video is going to have a giveaway in it. So definitely turn on that bell icon. You can also shop my merch at lonefox.com, such as this visual interest t-shirt. This is also printed on a tote bag. There are hoodies, there's a baseball hat, lots of really fun items. So check that out as well. More great gift ideas for the Christmas time. So I'll catch you guys all in my next one. Have a great day. Bye guys.